Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today what we got going on is we're going to be replacing the heater hose assembly line, basically is what it's called, I'm assuming. But yeah,
it's right here. Goes in up through the frame there.
And yeah, guys, so got the bucket set up. Gonna have to drain the coolant system completely to do this job. Plus we got another leak down there along the side of the chassis there, headed to the sleeper. We're gonna take care of that as well. It's right here, as you can see. But we're gonna be taking care of this, eliminating this. So that's gonna be going down on this video as well. So just gonna get this coolant drained all completely and be back with you. This turbo downfall pipe. It's gonna make my job a little easier, I believe. Give me a little more room to play with anyway. So let's go get this done. I need to. They're a pain. There we go. Got one.
Also, guys, we're out here doing this right after COVID. We're really sick.
Yeah.
So this is hard on us right now.
I feel like crap.
Oh, you're not going to see us. Just hear us.
Oh, man.
Life. Alright, so we disconnected the hose. It goes to the transmission cooler. This one right here. Also, the hose right here, which goes to the water pump. Now my hubby's down there underneath the truck, and he's going to show you the other one.
Alright, as y'all can see, this is the line we're going to be replacing. As you can see, this thing focuses. There you go. Man, my phone's dumb. My son has destroyed my phone, y'all. He gets temper tantrums and just throws it. But yeah, as y'all can see, that rusty line right there, that's what we've been doing, disconnecting along the way. And now just have this clamp here to cut loose. And yeah, be removing this guy. All right, guys, as you can see, this is the old hose. You got rust just taking over, and had a antifreeze smell since we've owned this truck. So very well could have been that, but yeah. There's the new hose, y'all. I threw a little paint on it, maybe to buy some extra time. So, yeah, we're gonna get that thrown on. Gotta get on my creeper. And,
Alright, we got all the hoses reconnected. You can't see. Now we gotta replace this exhaust bellow. Got holes in it.
this can cost you some money.
A new one. There's a part number, that's for our truck. I don't know about yours. Cost us $314 for that part.
It's been costing more than that.
And then PGs. Yep.
And fuel consumption, so check over your stuff. especially your downfalls and pipes like that that are close to your turbo, or just in general. Check over it. It'll cost you money in the long run, literally. Alright guys, so there you see it. Got our new coolant line replaced, and the turbo downfall, I believe it's like exhaust bellow, whatever, I don't know, but yeah, I call it the downfall pipe off the turbo. But anyway, it's installed, and this is installed. Mission accomplished. No leaks. There you have it, guys. This a couple days later after the video. Like the wife mentioned earlier in the video, we fought COVID here for probably a little over a week. So yeah, it took me a while to, do this video or whatever, and finish this outro days later. But hopefully it was a big help to y'all. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. If you have a Kenworth T680 with the bunk system, you probably have lines like this. So, not a professional, but I work on my own stuff. So these aren't guide videos or anything like that, just content for my audience, my people, my YouTube family. But yeah guys, that's going to do it for this video. Stay tuned. We always got videos dropping on trucking or Hondas, so stay tuned, y'all. Hit that like if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe if you're not subscribed to the channel yet. And until the next one, love you all. God bless y'all. We out, boys.